Let's learn how to draw Dudley the Dragon. He would be a great character to add to your campus campout pennant. To begin, we'll start with his chin. Using your pencil or marker, make a curved line in the shape of a sideways C, like this. Next, we'll add Dudley's nostrils. One on each side. On this side, it's the shape of a C that connects to the lower part of his chin. On the other side, it's another C, but backwards. Like this. Also connecting to his chin. Dudley's nostrils have an oval shape at an angle. So let's add that now. We'll fill it in. For the top portion of Dudley's head, we'll begin by adding another curved line that connects to his nostril. One side and the other side. Dudley has some really cute floppy ears. Let's add those. We'll draw a happy face, curved line, and a happy face, curved line. And then on the other side, leaving a space, we'll draw a frowny face, curved line, and a frowny face, curved line. Then another frowny face for the inside of his ears, like this. At the top of Dudley's head, he has two horns. To create the horns, make two triangle shapes with a soft curve at the top, kind of like this. Next, we'll connect the back of his head. Because the horns are in the front, the lines will appear to be behind his ears. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. Do you see how adding the lines like that made it look like the horns are in the front of his head? Perfect. Next, for the eyes. This shape is a little tricky, but really it's just like a superhero mask. Begin by making a small curve on this side in the shape of a C. And then, on the other side, make another C shape. Now, we are going to connect these lines by making a wave like this. A wave that goes up and comes right back down. There's the base of the mask. To create the next portion, put a dot just above the top of the wave. We're going to connect this line at a point to this curve, like this. And then on the other side. Now, we'll draw Dudley's eyes. There we go. Dudley's a happy dragon. Let's give him that Dudley grin. Perfect. Next, we'll be drawing his wings, which are attached to his body. To add Dudley's wings, the first thing we'll do is find the bottom of his chin here, and then come off to the side and make a dot, like that. Do the same thing on the other side. From the bottom of his chin, come over a little bit and make a dot. These dots will be the top point of Dudley's wings. His wings are connected to his neck, so we're going to make a curved hook line. Let's make that curved line by going from his neck and then winging it up. Like that. From his neck, winging it up in a hook shape. Perfect. Dudley has 2 or 3 points on his wings, so we already have 1 point. And we'll draw a dot for another, and then a dot for another. Same on both sides. I have 2 more dots on each side. We'll connect these by making curved lines like this. 1, 2. 1, before we draw the bottom of Dudley's wings, let's draw his tummy so we can see where the wings will connect. To start, make a big curved line like this. Then we'll add some curved lines across his tummy. Next, let's add the side of his belly. Like this. These points here are where the wings will connect. We'll use a wavy line to connect them, just like this. There we go. Now Dudley has his wings. The last step is to draw Dudley's arms. He has one that comes off the side like this. And another that curves down. Using a pencil, you can erase those lines. Otherwise, don't worry about it. The final step is to add Castle Heights, because this is the Castle Heights dragon. C-A-S-T-L-E-H-E-I-G-H-T-S. There he is, Dudley the Dragon. I hope you have a great time doing this drawing, and I hope you can add him to your pennant. Happy camping!